Hi, this is Tara Stoll in the IMC, and you're watching this video because you're interested in using Zoom. Zoom is a tool that we've recently acquired in order to conduct meetings via online. You can have advisement sessions with your students. You can have up to 25 participants in different locations to have sort of a web meeting. It's a great tool for online courses if you want to all get together at some point in the semester. Again, you can have up to 25 participants in different places. So it's really a great tool for that interactive need that you have. If you're interested in getting started with it, you'll first need to contact myself at 4171 or Brandon Card at 5663. We have to set you up with an account so that you can be associated with Missouri Western's account. Now you can get on zoom.us and sign up for your own account. It's a free account, but you will be limited on what you can do. Now Missouri Western is paying for a pro user account, and you have access to that as long as you go through us to get it set up for you. So what we'll do after you contact us is set you up with an account. You can expect an email from Zoom that will get you started, and I'll show you what that looks like. I did a test one with one of my personal accounts, and I'll show you that. So if you go into your email, you'll get an account. The subject line is called Zoom Account Invitation, and what you'll do is just follow the instructions on it. Click here to approve the request. If that doesn't work, you can click here, and what you'll do, it leads you to accept the confirmation or to confirm the invitation. And then what you can do, now I already have an account, so it's just having me sign in, but it has you create your own username and password. Now your username will be associated with your email address. Your password you can make up, you can use anything you want to. It's not associated. At this time, it's not associated with your Missouri Western account. We are working on an SSO, but that's not happened yet. So you will use any password you'd like. I would suggest using your Missouri Western password, but that's up to you. Now what Zoom will have you do is download a FAT client. So you will have actual software that's downloaded to your computer. As you can see here, it'll probably place it on your desktop. If not, just go into your programs and you can find it. There is a Mac version as well. I'm going to sign in. I can spell here. There we go. And as you can see, here's what our window looks like. And now I'm not going to go into a bunch of stuff here on what Zoom will do, but I will show you a little bit. So what you can do is start a meeting with or without video. I'm going to start without because my camera's being used right now to make this video for you. So start without video. It actually starts a meeting right away. And what you can do is go down here and invite users via Gmail. It'll open up your email account and you can actually send them, it will send them an invitation with a URL. So really, to get into a meeting, all a person needs is a URL. Now your participants on the other end will also need to download Zoom whenever prompted. It takes minimal time, minimal space to have it. You can do things like mute your audio, you can manage your participants, you can see who all is connected and who's not. You can do a chat, you can record, you can share your screen, they can share their screen with you. Let's end the meeting here. You can see here you can actually schedule recurring sessions. If you have weekly things going on, you can get in here and see what kind of meetings you have coming up. It's really a great tool, and I suggest if you have any type of web video need as far as interactive meeting that you give this a try. And again, like I said, you just need to contact me, Tara Stoll, at 4171 or Brandon Card at 5663. We'll get you set up, and if you need additional training, of course, we're here for that as well. So thank you very much. Good luck.